So it's been a while. I've been in college, as you can see. I'm actually in my dorm now, and it's really windy. It's a nice day out. But today we're gonna take a little tour, update on my car, like what I've done to it since, you know, the last time, which was like 5 or 6 months ago. It's been a while for sure, but yeah, let's get to it. Man, I live on the 8th floor, so this kind of sucks. But we're here. So here we are. Got the interior here. Replaced my black steering wheel with my red one. And got this. This is actually carbon wrap on here, so it's not cut perfectly. You can still see it's a little rougher on the edges right here. But got that Honda button on there. Made this custom shift boot, which is kind of cool. It's actually a cloth from Joann's, and it's got that like gold flake on it, which is super dope. Gotta have my Tiger, of course. And that basically wraps up the interior of the car. Got a ton of little trees. Yeah, that's that. So yeah, let's check out the exterior. So let's see what we got here. So starting off, we've got this custom red banner, Japanese. It says "The Devil Among Us," and then got the hood wrapped. Sorry, it's a little dirty right around here, and that's just because, I don't know, Bellingham is kind of crazy right now. So we got the eyelids on there as well. We've got the canards, just installed those recently. Got a front lift for this car, which actually looks pretty fucking dope. And then coming around to the back, oh yeah, we did lower the car a little more too, just a little bit though. And then I've got custom exhaust pipes and custom diffuser that I made recently. So yeah, as you guys can see, I've done a little bit to the car. It's not like a crazy amount, but I did get the front lip on there. That was pretty cool. Actually had that cracked in half, so it was just split right in half, and I had to get that bonded together. I actually fiberglassed it. And for the rear end, I'm still working on it, trying to make it a little lower and make it look nice. But Thomas actually helped me with the welding for the pipes on there, so shout out Thomas. He's getting better at welding for sure. Harbor Freight welder isn't the best, but you know, we're gonna work with what we can. And yeah, so it's pretty great. The rear diffuser actually like made out of a golf cart material. It's a plexiglass, but it's like for the golf cart windshield. And when I was here, I actually backed into this spot, and I didn't realize how close I was to the little cinder block thing, and it completely shattered, so I had to glue it back together. But it's looking alright right now. It's pretty tough, so you know, it's still there, but I'm planning on remaking that pretty soon here out of like aluminum or some other type of strong metal, more lightweight than plexiglass, because it's a little heavy. It's a little on the heavy side. But yeah, other than that, front end is looking more complete now. Shout out Roger for the front canards, and I'm thinking of making a splitter here soon with connecting rods, so for sure look out for that. I'm going to be dropping a video on that once I start making that, and it'll be a cool project. So yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'm hoping to upload more frequently from now on, probably more so during the summer when I have the car. And if you guys want to see more of this kind of content, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Peace out, guys.